Welcome sa Will Talk Sessions YT Special. Usually ginaganap lang natin tong Will Talk Sessions natin dito sa TikTok Live. But since request nyo kahapon para mayroon kayong mabalikan and na-achieve natin ang gift goal natin last night. So W sa mga gifters natin last night. Na-achieve natin. So ito. Meron tayong ipopost sa YT. And ang topic natin for today, Will Talk Sessions YT Special ay sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun. Salamat sa background music ko talaga naman Okay, sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun. And ang tawag dito? 8 rounds. 8 rounds tayo ulit, guys. 8 round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Titignan natin kung makakapag-bonus round pa tayo mamaya. Shoutout sa'yo, Luke. Ayan nakabalandra ka ngayon sa YouTube. Ikaw talaga, Luke. 20 pa para tuloy-tuloy. 20 pa. Anyway, pag ready na kayo, simulan na natin ang round 1.
I couldn't stay, I couldn't wait, but I thought that you should know that I would have. Can hang around, can ask your name, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have. If I hadn't turned to leave, would you have come to sit with me?
Welcome to Will Talk Session YT Special. Round 1 natin.
Something from a fantasy.
Ang theme
You feel it from
ng araw na to,
did you feel
sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun.
it too? Did I miss something more with you? Did you think of chasing after me?
Everybody in the chat, spam round 1.
Something from a movie scene, never knowing what could have been. Now we'll never know, no, 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 no.
Sabi niya, kaibigan ko lang yun. Okay,
Was holding back when you saw me smile.
possible
And
naman.
my heart was beating through my
Maraming friendship, syempre, na friendship lang talaga.
Should stayed a while,
Pero may tanong ako.
maybe then I wouldn't be.
Kapag sinabi bang friend lang,
If I hadn't turned to leave,
automatic na ba na wala ng kahit ano na kailangang pag-usapan?
love the feeling of your eyes on me.
Kapag sinabi
Something from a
ng partner mo na friend lang yun,
Did you feel it from
enough na ba yun para matapos yung concern?
a little enchanted too? Did
Kasi what if
something
10 years na silang friends? What if wala naman talagang history?
you
What if never nagkaroon ng
to
feelings?
me
Okay.
like something
Pero ibig bang sabihin kahit anong closeness,
for knowing
kahit anong setup,
I've been?
automatically okay na dahil friend lang yung label?
No, 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 no,
Friend lang.
no, no,
Okay.
no,
Pero anong terms and conditions?
no.
Wala kaming mali siya. Good.
Secret glances from across the.
Pero minsan,
Oh, I know
ginagamit natin yung label na para bang complete explanation yun.
through your hair when
What if genuinely platonic?
think was what
Possible. What if wala talagang attraction? Possible. What if ikaw lang yung nag-aalala? Possible. Pero what if yung concern mo, hindi naman kung gusto niya ba yung tao? Kung hindi,
stay.
ano yung lugar nung friendship sa relationship nyo?
Know that I would have. Can hang
Alam mo yung may concern kang
asking,
ino-open,
but now I'm thinking.
di mo naman sinasabing may cheating, di mo rin naman sinasabing putulin niya yung friendship,
Would you have come to sit with me?
tinatanong mo lang kung comfortable ka ba sa isang bagay. Don't worry guys, I can relate to this one. Guilty.
Like some
Guilty rin ako dito. Guilty rin ako. Tas ang sagot,
did
Kaibigan ko lang yun.
Feel it from across the
At parang dahil sinabi mo yung word na friend,
little enchanted.
tapos na dapat lahat ng tanong.
I miss something more with you.
Yung label ng friendship nyo, sinasagot nun kung ano yung relationship nyo.
For me,
Pero hindi sinasagot nun ano yung nangyayari talaga sa loob.
seen
Friendship can be healthy. Friendship can be close. Friendship can matter deeply. At pwede pa rin pag-usapan kung ano yung boundaries ang okay para sa relationship nyo.
oh no, 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 no,
Pero listen
no.
very well. Hindi rin naman fair na gawing suspicious every close friendship.
Smile
Hindi porket may partner ka,
through.
kailangan mawala lahat ng taong naging importante bago siya.
Stayed a while.
Ang point, hindi yung friend ba o hindi. Ang point, healthy ba yung setup para sa inyong dalawa?
Would you have come
Friend,
with me?
best friend,
Of the feeling
childhood friend,
on
work friend, college friend, lahat valid na label.
did
Pero that label alone doesn't tell you gaano kadalas kayo mag-usap.
feel a
Anong klaseng bagay yung sinishare?
too.
Ano yung boundaries?
Miss some
At paano naaapektuhan yung partner mo? Minsan gusto natin mabilis na answer.
you.
Friend lang?
Enough
Okay.
me. Like
May feelings?
from
Problema.
be seen. Never knowing
Pero relationships,
been.
madalang na mag-work na ganun kalinis lang na parang simple lang lahat.
Oh no,
May friendships na sobrang close pero healthy.
oh no.
May friendships na technically platonic pero may setup na hindi compatible sa isang relationship.
No
Kaya di natin kailangan husgahan yung title.
glances from across.
Titingnan natin paano ba sila mag-behave kasama yun.
Feel it too.
Kaibigan lang.
Through your head when
That can be completely true.
all like
At pwede pa rin may boundary kayong kailangang pag-usapan.
you felt it from across.
Friend lang?
You felt
Okay.
a little enchanted.
Naniniwala ako.
Did I miss
Pero pwede ba nating pag-usapan kung ano ibig sabihin nun sa relationship natin?
Did you think of chasing after
Huwag magdesisyon
like
base lang sa label.
movies seen?
Tingnan kung ano ba yung actual setup. Friend lang. That was round 1. Label
I couldn't stay,
does not mean boundary.
but I thought that you should know that I would have. Can hang around, can ask your name, but now I'm thinking maybe
W round 1.
I have. If I hadn't turned to leave, would you have come to sit with me? Of the
Thank you, Your Cafe.
eyes on me,
Guys, para nga pala sa may mga hindi alam,
I'm a fantasy.
ito nga palang live natin ngayon. This is
From across
Will Talk Sessions YT Special. So lahat to ng stream na to, this whole afternoon, ididiretso agad natin to sa YouTube para meron kayong mapapanood after nito. Okay? W's? W's in the chat.
chasing after me like something from a movie scene, never knowing what could have been. Now we'll never know, no, 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 no. I was holding back when you saw me smile. Swear my heart was beating through my chest. Should've never left, should've stayed a while.
Sige, try ko ilagay yung ano dito.
Then I wouldn't be asking.
Wait lang. Para kasama ko kayo talaga sa stream. Para pag in-upload, makita kayo.
Come to sit with me.
Lagay ko sa gilid.
Of the
Yan.
eyes on me.
Okay? Yan, para kita kayo.
Something from a fantasy.
W?
Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you?
Okay, simulan na natin ang round 2. Ang round 1 natin kanina. Anyway, ang theme nga pala ng Will Talks Sessions YT Special ay sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yon. Round 1. Kaibigan lang naman.
I couldn't stay,
Round 2.
couldn't wait. But I thought that
Bakit ko nalalaman pagkatapos?
can hang around, can ask your name. But now I'm thinking maybe I should have. If I hadn't turned to
Ito naman,
would you
wala ka namang problema na may kaibigan siya.
love the feeling
Pero bakit?
eyes on me?
Lagi mo na lang nalalaman pagkatapos.
Fantasy. Did you
Chat,
from across the
question.
did you feel
Mas nakaka-bother ba sa inyo yung friendship
too? Did
o yung feeling na lagi kayong last to know?
you did you think of chasing after me?
Nagkita sila, okay.
Then from a move
Nag-usap sila, okay.
never
May lakad, okay.
could have been.
Pero bakit parang lagi mo na lang malalaman kapag tapos na?
No, 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 no.
Hindi naman kailangan live update eh. Pero pwede namang magsabi, di ba?
I was holding back
Kasi what if genuinely nakalimutan niya?
where my heart was
Posible,
beating my
di ba?
chest.
What if ayaw niyang gawing big deal? Posible din yun.
Wow, maybe
Eh what if repeated pattern na? Na yung information,
turn to
lagi na lang dumadating pagtapos na.
come to sit with
Alam mo yung casual kayo nag-uusap tas may mababanggit siya. Uy, nakita ko nga pala si Blank kahapon.
like something from a fantasy.
Nakita ko nga pala si Blank nung ganito.
You feel it from across.
Okay lang naman yung ganun eh.
Did you feel a little enchanted too?
Hindi naman kailangan surveillance.
The more with you.
Pero bakit lagi?
Did you think of chasing after me?
Hindi mo kailangan malaman every message.
Then from a
Hindi mo kailangan ng live location. Hindi mo kailangan i-report lahat ng galaw mo. Pero may difference yung privacy
never know.
sa setup na lagi mo na lang nararamdaman na nasa labas ka na lang.
No, no,
Okay?
no,
Pero hindi rin automatic. Suspicious agad dapat kapag may bagay na hindi nasabi.
secret
Lagi niyong tatandaan na people forget.
room.
People have separate lives.
You could
May
feel
friendship na normal lang talaga.
going through
Pero ang tanong,
and I
kapag sinabi mong uncomfortable ka sa pagiging last to know,
what
may effort bang ginagawa para maging transparent yung setup?
across the room.
Lakad na nalaman pagkatapos.
Chanted
Calls na casually mababanggit days later.
the more
Important conversation na hindi mo alam nangyari. Inside joke na ngayon mo lang narinig. Plans na akala mo spontaneous pero matagal na pala nilang napag-usapan.
couldn't stay. I couldn't wait. But I thought that
Kasi minsan,
that I would
hindi naman talaga yung friendship ang unang gumagawa ng doubt.
can ask your name.
Yung surprise.
Thinking maybe I
Kasi bawat surprise, gumagawa ng bagong tanong. Ano pa yung hindi ko alam?
come to sit with me.
And even the things
Of your eyes
na wala naman noon can start feeling suspicious kapag lagi kang binibigyan ng context pagkatapos mangyari yun.
across the room. Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something
Minsan,
with you?
hindi mo naman pinagdududahan yung kaibigan.
Did you
Pinagdududahan mo yung setup
after me?
kasi lagi ka na lang yung huling nakakaalam.
Be seen, never knowing what could
Wala naman daw tinatago. Okay,
I will never.
pero bakit parang lagi akong late sa sarili kong relationship?
No, 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 no,
Lagi niyong tandaan,
no.
transparency does not mean reporting everything. It means yung partner mo
Holding back
hindi pa ulit-ulit na kailangan malaman pa sa dulo kapag tapos na lahat.
my chest. Should've never left. Should've stayed a while.
Everybody spam
Then I would.
W round 2.
If I hadn't turned to leave, would you have come to sit with me? Love the feeling of your eyes on me.
Maraming salamat din sa mga nag-give sa atin. Joe, account not found. Sam, thank you so much. Eugene,
Feel it from across the
sa mga nag-give sa atin guys, maraming salamat. And sa mga will listeners natin na naka-tune in ngayon, Your Cafe, thank you so much. Okay. Dapat pala gusto ko dito sa screen nagfo-flash yung gift para naman kapag may nagregalo sa atin, makikita rin sa YT, pwedeng mabalikan na, uy, dun, dinrap yun. Teka. Yan. Para makita sa YT mismo na dito sa screen lumalapag. W sa mga gifters, guys. W, man. Okay? So that was round 2. Ulitin ko lang, ang theme natin ngayong Will Talk Sessions, YT Special, ay sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun. Round 1, kaibigan lang naman. Label, hindi ibig sabihin ay boundary na. Round 2, bakit mo nalalaman pagkatapos? Surprise creates doubt. And round 3, bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam?
I couldn't stay, I couldn't wait, but I thought that you should know that I would have.
Ito yung mas tahimik na sakit.
Can ask
Hindi sila
you,
nagde-date,
but now I'm thinking maybe I should have.
hindi sila sweet,
Turn to me,
walang landian,
would you have come to say?
pero kapag may magandang balita,
Love the feeling of
siya yung unang nakakaalam. Kapag may problema,
I'm a fan.
siya yung unang tinatawagan.
Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you?
Importante ba sa inyo na yung partner nyo yung isa sa unang taong gusto nyong sabihan kapag may malaking nangyari?
For me, like something from
Not necessarily first every single time.
knowing what
Pero paano kung consistently? Ibang tao yung unang may access sa most personal parts ng buhay niya.
no, no, no,
Promotion,
no,
alam na niya.
no.
Family problem, alam na niya. Nag-breakdown, alam na niya.
Back,
Ikaw,
saw me smile.
recap.
Swear my heart was beating through my chest. Should've never left, should've stayed a while.
What if mas matagal na silang friends? Valid.
If I
What if mas nakakaintindi siya ng certain problem?
you have come to sit
That's valid.
with me.
What if may things talaga na friends ang mas madaling kausapin? Kasi merong ganyan, di ba? Of course.
Something from a fantasy.
Eh what if halos lahat
You
ng emotional access
crossed the
nandun na sa isang tao outside the relationship?
too. Did I miss something more?
Alam mo yung may kinukwento yung partner mo tapos midway through sasabihin mo, oo, sinabi ko rin kay ganito yan eh.
Think of chasing after me like something from a movie scene. Never
Then mapapansin mo,
know I could
hindi pala rin.
but
Nauna pala siya.
no, no, no,
At ikaw yung nakikinig
oh, no,
after na process na nilang dalawa.
no, 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 no. Secret glances from across the room,
Pero lilinawin ko lang,
but you could feel
emotional closeness
what went through your
is not automatically romance.
all I could think.
Pero access matters.
What if
Sino yung taong nakakaalam nung version mo na hindi nakikita ng lahat?
you felt a little
At kapag committed relationship ang gusto mong buuin,
miss something?
may tanong din kung may emotional space pa ba talagang binubuo kayong dalawa.
Did you think of chasing after me?
Lilinawin lang natin Hindi ibig sabihin partner mo dapat lahat. Hindi only friend, hindi exclusive source ng support, hindi mo therapist. Healthy relationships, syempre, it needs community.
I thought that you should know
Pero,
I would.
yung mga nakapaligid, yung community na nagsusupport sa relationship na yon,
But now I'm thinking maybe I
hindi kailangan na yung mga deepest parts ng buhay mo, mas nauuna mo pa doon sabihin kaysa doon sa partner mo.
love the feeling
Di naman natin sinasabing i-lock lang yan lahat sa partner mo.
like something from a
Kaya-
fantasy.
Siya yung unang tinatawagan.
You feel
Siya unang sinasabihan.
the room
Siya nakakaalam ng problema bago ka. Siya nakakaalam ng desisyon bago ka.
something.
Siya nakakaalam nung takot na sa'yo hindi pa naman sinasabi.
Did you think I'd chase a knife?
Kasi minsan, ang selos
Something from
hindi nanggagaling sa baka gusto niya yun.
never knowing
Minsan mas simple pa eh.
when.
Bakit parang may part ng buhay mo na mas intimate kayo kaysa sa atin?
No, no, no,
And that question
no,
deserves a conversation.
no,
Not accusation,
no.
but a conversation.
I was holding back when you saw me smile.
Kasi baka
My heart was beating
hindi mo kinaiinggitan yung friendship nila.
left.
Nasasaktan ka kasi may access siyang akala mo binubuo niyong dalawa.
If I hadn't turned to,
Kaibigan lang.
would you
Okay.
come to sit with
Pero bakit siya yung unang nakakakilala sa version mong ako naman dapat?
like something from a fan?
Kasi siya nakakaintindi.
Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you?
W round 3.
Did you think of chasing after me? Like
Maraming salamat nga pala sa gifters natin, chat. Everybody spam W gifters din. Nilagay ko na dito sa scene para every time na meron tayong gift, lalapag din sa YT. Makikita rin sa YT na mga ganun. Tingnan natin ano magiging topic gift natin for tonight. Ano kaya ang tonight tuloy, today, this afternoon, anong gift ang babalagbagin natin ngayon? Maraming salamat guys. Appreciate you all. Ernest, thank you. Knight, thank you. Soti, thank you.
I know that you could
Sa top gifters natin, Your Cafe, maraming salamat.
through your head when I left. All I could think was, what if?
So lahat to guys, etong 8 rounds na to, Will Talks YT Special. We're gonna go straight to YouTube. Ang theme natin ngayong tanghali ay, sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun. So round 1. Round 1 natin, kaibigan lang naman. Oy, Boss Reaper. Thank you sa pagdaan. Label does not equal to boundary. Round 2. Bakit ko nalaman pagkatapos? Surprise creates doubt. Round 3. Bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam? Access matters. And round 4. W Boss Reaper with the Galaxy. Ang round 4 natin, friendly lang ba talaga yan? Ito yung madalas pag-awayan.
I couldn't stay, I couldn't wait.
Ganito lang talaga kami.
Know that I would have.
Touchy lang kami.
Can ask your name,
Ganito kami magbiroan.
maybe I should have.
Normal lang sa amin mag-call hanggang madaling araw.
Would you have come to sit with me? Love the feeling of your eyes on
Okay.
like something
Pero,
from a fantasy.
hindi porket normal sa friendship nyo,
Feel it from across the
okay sa relationship natin.
little enchanted too. Did I miss something more with you? Did you think of chasing after me?
Pop!
Like something from a movie scene, never knowing what could have been.
May friendship behavior na okay nung single ka,
No, no,
pero kailangan mong i-revisit kapag may partner ka na.
no, no, no,
Late night calls,
no.
one-on-one trips, physical affection,
Holding back
sharing relationship problems,
where my heart was
sleepovers,
just.
flirty jokes.
She stayed a while.
May universal answer ba o kailangan pag-usapan?
If I hadn't turned to
Ganito na kami ever since.
would you have come to sit
Okay,
me? Love the
pero may bago ka ng relationship ever since.
like something from a fantasy.
Wala namang meaning eh.
You feel it from across
Posible,
the room. Did you feel a little enchanted too?
pero may impact.
I miss something more with you.
Kasi what if talaga normal sa friendship culture nila yon? De okay, posible naman. What if ikaw yung mas conservative? What if siya mas relax kasi? Tama. Valid. And then maybe, hindi issue kung sino tama.
But now I'm
Ang issue,
no,
ano ba agreement yung dalawa?
no.
Alam mo yung may behavior na matagal na nilang ginagawa before you existed. So nung sinabi mo na uncomfortable ka, ganito na kami dati pa eh.
Secret glances from a
Mapapaisip ka. Okay,
know that you could feel
pero may relationship ka na ngayon.
what went through your head when I left.
Pero lilinawin ko lang, boundaries are negotiated.
You
Hindi lahat ng couple pareho. May couple na okay sa one-on-one hangout, may couple na hindi.
didn't
May okay sa late night calls, mayroong hindi. The important thing is, hindi kayo gumagamit ng assumptions.
think of chasing after
Hindi rin healthy na lahat ng discomfort automatic na magiging rule. Hindi dahil hindi ka komportable, obligadong mawala yung friendship nila. Boundaries. Hindi naman, ito yung bawal. Kasama dyan,
couldn't stay.
ano yung kailangan mo para maramdaman mong secure ka?
That you should know that I would have.
Ano yung freedom na importante para sa'yo?
Can ask your name, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have.
Kasi yung mga physical touch,
Undone,
late night call, private hangouts,
come to sit
trips,
me. Love the
sharing relationship conflicts, nickname,
something from a fantasy.
daily check-ins,
Did
hindi naman automatic, universally guilty yan. Tama. Kasi pwede naman, nakipag-appear.
wanted to.
Nung gabing yon, may kailangan ka ichika, tinawagan mo. May gala kayo,
Did
kailangan mo kamustahin.
think of chasing
Okay lang yun.
me.
None of these are universally guilty.
Movies seem
Pero kailangan
never
may context at may agreement.
have been. I
Nuggets?
will never know.
Minsan ang problema hindi mali siya. Assumption.
Oh no,
Akala niya normal. Akala mo obvious na hindi okay yun. Then pareho kayong magugulat na magkaiba standards nyo.
I was holding
Kaya ang relationship,
you saw me smile
kailangan ng explicit boundary. Sabihin mo.
my chest.
Magkaiba yung sinabi mo tas ginawa niya ulit
Why
kesa sa ina-assume mo
then I would
na obvious naman di dapat yan okay eh.
if I hadn't turned to leave. Would you have come to sit?
Hindi lagi nag-work ng ganun.
Love the feeling of
Communicate.
it's on me. Like something
Hindi mind reading.
to say. Did you feel it from across the room?
Kasi wala namang meaning sa akin
Tension
does not automatically mean wala ring effect sa relationship natin.
more with you.
Lagi niyong tatandaan ng healthy boundaries hindi kinokopya sa ibang magjojowa.
Could chasing after
Negotiated yan by two people na actually in a relationship.
movies.
Kasi yung yung okay sa ibang magjowa, hindi automatically okay para sa inyo. Kasi some can work na may best friends,
Oh no, no,
some cannot work na may ganong ka-close.
no, no,
Kaya hindi porket nakikita mo sa social media, nakikita mo sa mga tropa mo na ganito, dapat ganon ka din.
no. Secret glances from across the room. Oh, I know that you could feel it too. What went through your head when I left? All I could think was, what if you felt it from across the room? You felt a little like
W round 4. Yun ang round 4 natin with listeners.
I couldn't stay.
Bakit naging blue itong camera ko?
But I thought that you should know that I would have. Can hang around, can ask your name. But now I'm thinking
Boss Rip,
maybe
salamat sa pagdaan ulit, Boss Rip.
if I hadn't
Grabe, top gift natin, oh. Nakagalaxy si Boss Rip.
Would you have come to sit
Ba't naging blue?
Love the feeling of your eyes on me, like something from a fantasy. Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a
Yan.
little enchanted too?
Okay.
Did I miss something?
Thank you so much mga gifters natin. Maraming salamat. Mechuri, Erika, Boss Reaper, Error, L, Nix. Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat.
Never
And simulan na natin ang ating round 5. Again, this is a Will Talks YT special. Ilalapag natin agad nito. Ilalapag agad natin ito after nitong live stream na to. Ang topic natin for this afternoon or for this session, sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun.
I couldn't stay.
Round 1, kaibigan lang naman.
I thought that you
Round 2, bakit ko nalalaman pagkatapos?
around,
Round 3,
ask your name.
bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam?
Maybe I should
Round 4, friendly lang ba talaga yan?
leave.
In round 5,
Would you have come to sit with me? Love the feeling of your eyes,
this is gonna sting a little bit.
like something from
Round 5, baka insecure ka lang.
you. Feel it from across the room. Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you? Did you think of chasing after me like something from a movie scene, never knowing what could have been? Now we'll never know, no, 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 no.
Eto,
I was holding back when you saw me smile. Swear my
ito yung line na sobrang bilis sabihin eh. Insecure ka lang. Okay, posible. Sige. Pero kung insecure ba, tapos na ba conversation nun?
I couldn't stay, I couldn't wait.
Kapag nagsiselos yung partner,
You know that I would have, can hang around, can ask your name.
tapos sapat na ba na panlaban yun? Insecure ka lang eh.
If I hadn't turned to leave, would you have come to sit with me? Love the feeling of your eyes,
Sige, sabihin natin, what if
like something from a
wala naman talagang ginagawa yung friend?
you. Feel it from
What if past trauma yun?
did you feel
Valid possibilities.
wanted to?
Pero di ba, useful pa rin naman malaman kung ano ba exactly yung kinakatakot ng partner mo?
Did you think of chasing after me like something from a movie scene, never knowing what?
Di ba pwedeng tulungan mo kong maintindihan bakit ganito yung setup natin?
No, 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 no. I was holding back when you saw
Kasi
me
kunwari,
smile.
sinabi mo,
My heart was beating through.
hindi ako comfortable dito.
Should've never left.
Tapos ang sagot,
Should've stayed.
wala ka lang tiwala.
Maybe then I wouldn't be.
And then suddenly, hindi na pinag-uusapan yung situation.
Would you
Ikaw na ngayon yung buong issue.
love the feeling of your eyes on me?
Pero lilinawin ko lang,
Then from a fantasy,
selos is not evidence.
feel it from
Hindi dahil nagsiselos ka,
feel
may something na.
wanted to
Pero selos can be information,
with you.
fear of replacement, fear of exclusion,
You think of chasing
past betrayal.
me like something from a movie scene, never knowing what could have been. But now I'll never know.
This, what I'm gonna say you may not agree with me 100%. Pero, hindi rin naman
Stay,
trabaho ng partner mo
you should know that I
na i-eliminate lahat ng discomfort mo. May insecurity tayo na sarili nating responsibility yun. Trust includes tolerating yung uncertainty. Pero ang healthy trust, yung pwede tayong magtanong without humiliating yung pagtatanong natin. Bakit siya lagi? Bakit hindi mo sinabi? Bakit parang ako yung outsider? Bakit ganito yung joke nyo? Yung mga tanong na yun, it can come from us being insecure. And I've been there also. They can also point sa isang bagay na kailangan malinaw. Hindi lang dahil insecure lang, pero baka din may kailangan linawin. Minsan, sobrang takot tayong matawag na insecure na pinipili na lang natin manahimik kahit may gusto tayong tanungin. At minsan sobrang convinced tayo na tama yung selos natin na ginagawa nating proof yung nararamdaman natin. Na porket nagselos tayo, yun na yun. Yun. Pero di naman laging ganun. Both can hurt. Pero kailangan kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, that feeling, treat it as a question. Hindi yun yung final sagot. Selos can tell you where it hurts. Kung saang parte mo ikaw nasaktan. Pero hindi nito sinasabi kung sino agad yung may kasalanan. Kasi anong healthy kung hindi mo matanong every time nagsiselos ka?
Secret glances from across the room. Oh, I know that you can feel
W round 5.
what went through your head when I left. All I could think was
Maraming salamat W round 5 guys. Thank you so much sa mga nag-give sa atin. Maraming salamat po. Solid mga nag-give sa atin guys. Thank you so much. Mga gifters natin, thank you. Mga lumalapag natin na nagda-drop, thank you. Sino ba to? Renz, thank you Renz. Uno Takahashi, thank you. Kenzie, thank you. Unscripted Kali, thank you. Ayan. After nito guys, after nitong live na to, nitong Will Talk session na to, ilalapag agad natin to sa YT para mabalikan nyo agad. Okay? Maraming salamat. Birthday ko na ngayon, Kuya Will. Happy birthday, Genesis. Thank you so much, guys. Para meron kayong mabalikan agad. Gusto nyo ba yun? Trip nyo ba yun? Agad-agad. Pagkatapos ito, edit kabud. Bilis eh, no? Hanapin nyo lang doon. Will Talks Session YT Special. Okay? Ready na kayo sa round 6? Recap lang tayo. Recap. Recap tayo guys. So, ang theme ng Will Talk Session YT Special, sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yon. Round 1, kaibigan lang naman. Round 2, bakit ko nalalaman pagkatapos? Round 3, bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam? Round 4, friendly lang ba talaga yan? Round 5, baka insecure ka lang? And round 6, may karapatan ba akong magsabi? Ito naman yung kabilang takot. Pag sinabi kong uncomfortable ako, controlling na ba ako? Ano ba difference ng boundary at pagbabawal para sa inyo? Ayoko na kausapin mo siya. Versus, hindi ako komportable sa ganitong level ng closeness. Pwede bang gumawa ng setup na mas okay sa atin pareho? Same concern? Same ba yung approach? Kasi ang boundary ko, bawal mo siyang kausapin. Boundary mo sa buhay niya. Respect my boundary. Kasi ito. What if deal breaker talaga sa'yo? That's allowed. What if ayaw niyang baguhin yung friendship? That's allowed. Kaya siguro yung tanong, hindi yung sinong masusunod. Maybe, compatible ba kayo ng boundaries? Alam mo yung gusto mong sabihin, hindi ako okay sa ganito eh. Pero natatakot kang maging controlling. So wala kang sinasabi. Until sumabog. At dun lumabas na binlock mo siya. Eh sana, mas maaga pa. Napag-usapan na yung actual need, di ba? There's a difference between boundary and control. Lilinawin ko lang. Boundary is not a magic word na lahat ng demand nagiging reasonable. A boundary, yun yung pagsasabi na ito kaya kong maging okay with ganito. Ito yung kailangan ko sa relationship natin. Kung di tayo pwede mag-agree, ito gagawin ko. Ang control, itong gagawin mo dahil ayaw ko. Pero autonomy does not mean buhay ko to, wala kang say. Kapag nasa relationship ka, your choices can affect another person. Ang freedom at responsibility, they can coexist. You can ask, you can explain, you can negotiate. Pwede ka magsabi ng deal breaker sa'yo. Pwede kang umalis kung incompatible talaga. Ang di mo pwedeng gawin ay mag-assume na porket may sinabi kang boundary, automatically ownership na ng choices ng tao na yun. Uulitin ko lang. Magkaiba ang boundaries sa control. Mature love has two truths at once. Hindi mo pag-aari yung partner mo. At hindi rin irrelevant yung nararamdaman mo sa decisions niya. Kaya ang mga boundary, kailangan pinag-uusapan. Hindi dinidikta. Hindi lahat ng discomfort dapat maging pagbabawal. Pero hindi rin lahat ng freedom excuse para hindi ka na i-consider. It goes both ways. Tama, Love Nicks. Everybody spam W, round 6. Thank you, Boss Rip. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-drop ng gifts, guys. Jezzy, Yani, Bell, Minnie, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, guys. And now we're gonna proceed to round 7.
Wherever this life goes,
Ready na ba kayo sa round 7?
be your home.
Tuloy-tuloy ito.
You're never alone.
Then after nito, diretso upload sa YT. Everybody spam W round 7.
My love, remember you're always enough.
Round 7. Recap lang tayo, guys. Recap lang tayo. Ang theme ng Will Talk Session YT Special, sabi niya kaibigan niya lang yun. Round 1, kaibigan lang naman. Round 2, bakit ko nalalaman pagkatapos? Round 3, bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam? Round 4, friendly lang ba talaga yun? Round 5, baka insecure ka lang. Round 6, may karapatan ba akong magsabi? And round 7, friends na sila bago ka dumating.
I never would have thought we'd make it here. Please no,
Friends na kami bago ka pa dumating.
this life goes.
True.
This will
Dapat ba may weight yun? Oo. Pero ibig bang sabihin wala nang pwedeng magbago dahil lang nauna siya?
remember you're always enough.
Mas may karapatan ba yung matagal nang naging kaibigan sa certain closeness kaysa sa bagong partner?
Never alone. Wherever this life goes. Wherever
Nauna siya sa'yo.
life goes.
Okay. Pila pala to. Ganito na kami bago ka pa.
Take heart, love,
Pero may jowa ka ngayon.
through the years. Live your life free.
Sige. What if kaibigan niya yung tumulong sa kanya sa darkest years niya? Respeto. Respeto. What if family na yung tingin niya? Respeto. What if partner mo naman yung bago lang? Also true. So maybe, hindi naman kailangan pumili ng sinong aalis. Bakit may kailangan umalis? Ang kailangan mo, i-update yung boundaries mo dahil nagbago na yung buhay mo. Alam mo yung may sinabi kang concern, tapos ang sagot, hindi ko babaguhin friendship namin para sa'yo.
Always enough.
And maybe tama. Di naman dapat burahin lahat. Pero kapag ba relationship, kailangan pa talaga zero adjustment from old routines.
Wherever this life goes.
History deserves respect. History does not create exemption agad. Pag nagbago role mo sa buhay mo, minsan nagbabago din yung responsibilities mo. Single boundaries and committed relationship boundaries
Please no,
hindi identical
wherever this life goes.
at hindi rin healthy
This will
na pumasok sa buhay ng tao then erase everyone who came before you. That's not intimacy. Ang secure relationship should be able to honor your old friendships. Andyan pa rin sila habang pinoprotektahan mo yung space ng relationship mo.
give up. You never
Nuggets?
alone.
Kasi minsan ginagamit yung history para tapusin yung conversation. Matagal na kami. Pero ang point ng relationship
Love,
isn't to compete with history.
take your time.
It's to build a present. At minsan, para ma-build mo yung present na yun, kailangan mong i-update yung old habits mo. Di mo kailangan talunin yung history nila. Pero hindi rin pwedeng gamitin yung history para wala ng lugar sa relationship nyo na gumawa ng sariling boundaries.
Would have thought we'd make it here.
Nauna siya eh. Oo nga. Pero nandito rin ako ngayon.
No, wherever this life goes, this will be your home.
Everybody spam W round 7 and W gifters. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you so much.
Wherever this life goes.
Thank you so much. W round 7.
Wherever this life goes.
Change song. Nah, di papalitan. Kasi for YouTube to eh. I'm gonna get copyrighted. This is for YT guys. This is for YouTube. We're recording for YouTube now. And after dito, ilalapag agad natin agad sa YT. Okay? Last round na tayo, chat. Round 8. Last round, final round.
All of the laughs and every tear.
Game, last round.
Never would have thought we'd make it.
Finale na. Finale na.
You're the wind in my sails. You're the pull of the sea. You're the wish in the well. You're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered
Okay.
to me.
Final round. And then after nito, we're gonna upload it on YT. Everybody spam W round 8.
You're the first of the year.
Recap.
A warm kiss in the cold.
Theme ng Will Talk Sessions YT special. Sabi niya, kaibigan niya lang yun.
If I was cast on
Round 1, kaibigan lang naman. Round 2, bakit ko nalalaman pagkatapos? Round 3, bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam? Round 4, friendly lang ba talaga yun? Round 5, baka insecure ka lang. Round 6, may karapatan ba ako magsabi? Round 7, friends na sila bago ka dumating. Round 8,
when I can't find no words to speak.
paano kung wala talaga silang gusto?
Know you're all I need.
Okay? Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Walang feelings, never nagkaroon, walang attraction, walang cheating.
So when you're feeling blue
So tapos na ba lahat?
with a weight on your chest, I can feel it too.
Kapag sure tayong walang romantic feelings,
Best, I'll be there
pwede pa rin bang maging problema yung friendship sa relationship?
for me, 'cause you are all I need. All I need.
Kasi paano kung yung issue hindi naman attraction? Paano kung yung issue is secrecy, priority, boundaries, being left out, disrespect?
If the whole wide world was offered to me,
Wala naman kaming gusto sa isa't isa. Good. Dapat lang. Hindi ko siya type. Okay. Dapat lang. Alangan, di ba? What if literal na sibling energy lang? Possible. What if safe and healthy relationship? Possible.
only bring one thing, still you'd be all
Pero what if walang romantic intention? Pero may repeated behavior na damaging pa rin sa relationship. Yung after lahat ng tanong mo, finally convinced ka na wala talaga silang gusto sa isa't isa.
do I say
And weirdly, may discomfort pa rin.
when I can't find no words to speak. Just know
Kasi yung intention at impact ay magkaibang tanong. May gusto ba kayo sa isa't isa? That's one question. Healthy ba yung setup para sa relationship natin?
with a weight on your
That's another.
I can feel it too. I'll take your words
And kasi, kung healthy naman talaga,
for you.
then kailangan din natin na willing tayong i-admit na baka insecurity natin yung kailangan i-work on. Tama? Kasi hindi lahat ng discomfort means the other person has to change. Pero the absence ng romance, kailangan i-clarify yung issue na nangyayari.
How do I say
No attraction, no flirting, no hidden romantic history.
I find no words?
But maybe you're always last to know.
Just know
Hindi nasusunod boundaries mo. They share your private relationship problems. Wala ka na sa routine niya. Yung partner mo, emotionally prioritize them in ways na hindi nyo naman ginagawa. Kasi minsan sobrang focus tayo dun sa tanong na, may something ba?
you're the wind in my
Kasi feeling natin kailangan nating patunayan yun
the sea,
bago maging valid yung discomfort mo.
the well, and my faithful belief. If the whole
Pero check mo, baka hindi mo kailangan ng cheating case. Okay? Baka hindi pala tungkol sa nagchi-cheat ba? Baka hindi ganun.
you're the
Baka kailangan mo ay boundary conversation.
you're my faithful belief. If the
Hindi naman automatic nagchi-cheat.
was off,
Doon ka lang muna sa una. Anong boundary mo yung naapakan niya? Yun ang kailangan pag-usapan.
you're the first of the year,
Kasi pwedeng wala silang gusto sa isa't isa,
the cold
pero pwede ka pa ring masaktan
in my
sa setup nila.
when I need it the most.
Gets?
If I was cast on an island and could only bring one thing, still you'd
Sana may natutunan.
all I need,
That's round 1 to 8.
all I need. I need. How do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak? Just know you're all I need. So when you're feeling blue with a weight on your chest, I can feel it too. I'll take your worst and the best
At yun ang stream natin.
there for you. Like you're
That's round 1 to 8.
are all I need. All I need. I need. How do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak? Just know you're all I need. You're all
WYT Special W Boss Reaper.
Oh, you're all I need.
W Boss. Oh shit.
Mm. You're the wind in my sails. You're the pull of the sea. You're the wish in the well, and my faithful belief. If the whole wide world
Dahil may pa-fireworks ka, bago tayo mag-end, at since this is a YouTube special, at may pa-fireworks si Boss Reaper, thumbnail, yun ang thumbnail natin. Thumbnail. Yun ang thumbnail ko. Bibigyan ko kayo ng bonus round sa theme na to. Ang bonus round natin, teka lang muna. Spam 1 kung nandito ka mula round 1. Nandito ka ba mula round 1? Sino nandito mula round 1, chat? Nandito ba kayo nun? Mula round 1? Okay. So, bonus round. Buong usapan natin, isang tao yung tinitingnan natin. Di ba? Tama? Tinitingnan natin yung tao na yun eh. Yung kaibigan.
Couldn't stay,
Tama.
I couldn't wait.
Bakit siya yung laging nandyan?
You know that I
Bakit siya yung unang nakakaalam? Bakit ang dami niyang access? Bakit parang ang laki ng lugar niya? Tapos paulit-ulit nating tinatanong, kaibigan lang ba talaga yun? Pero feeling ko may isa pa tayong tao na hindi masyadong tinitingnan.
You feel it from across the room. Did you
Ikaw.
a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you? Did you think of chasing after me? Like
Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw dapat unang tawagan sa lahat. Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw dapat nakakaalam ng lahat. Hindi mo rin kailangan maging best friend, therapist, advisor at buong mundo niya. Kasi isipin mo, may magandang nangyari, may tinawagan na siya. May problema, may napagsabihan na siya. May malaking desisyon, may napagtanungan na siya. May breakdown, may nakaalam na. May problema kayo, minsan alam din nung kaibigan. Tapos ikaw, partner ka. Pero ang dami mong nalalaman kapag tapos na. Ang dami mong naiintindihan pagkatapos. Ang dami mong kailangan tanggapin. Na parang hindi ka kasama nung binubuo pa yung desisyon. Kukwento niya sa'yo yung nangyari. Sasabihin niya, oo, napag-usapan na rin namin yan eh. Okay, another story. Sinabi ko nga kay yan kanina eh. Okay, another decision. Oo nga, tinanong ko rin si ganito kung ano tingin niya eh.
be seen, never knowing what could have been. But now I'll never know, no, 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 no.
Hanggang mapapansin mo, parang hindi naman ikaw yung taong kasama niyang mag-process nun.
Across the
Ikaw yung taong ina-update kapag na-process na.
feel it too.
Again, hindi requirement ng healthy relationship na partner mo ang first call every single time. May kaibigan tayo, may pamilya tayo, may ibang taong mas nakakaintindi ng certain parts ng buhay natin. Normal yun. Pero partnership still needs something of its own. May space para sabay kayong mag-isip. Hindi puro ikaw yung tatanggap ng final version. Kasi baka healthy talaga yung friendship nila. Baka walang mali siya. Baka walang attraction. Baka walang kahit anong kailangang mawala. Posible naman lahat yun. So hindi automatic na ang solution, layuan mo, i-block mo, piliin mo ako, hindi. Pero kahit walang kailangang mawala, may kailangan pa ring itanong. May nabubuo ba talaga sa inyong dalawa?
Can ask your name.
Siya yung unang nakakaalam,
I should.
ikaw yung naa-update.
If I hadn't turned,
Siya yung unang tinatawagan,
would you
ikaw yung kinakausap kapag okay na.
love the feeling of your eyes?
Siya yung unang pinagtatanungan,
Like something.
ikaw yung sinasabihan kapag nakapag-decide na.
Did you feel it from across the room?
Siya yung nakakaalam ng takot,
Little enchanted.
ikaw yung nagsasabi na
I miss something more with
late na pala. Bago mo pa malaman yun.
you. Think
Hindi mo nga alam yun eh.
after me, like something from a movie scene. Never knowing what could have been.
Siguro kaya minsan, hindi gumagaan. Kahit ilang beses mong marinig na kaibigan ko lang yun. Kasi baka naniniwala ka naman. Baka friend nga. Baka wala ka ng kailangang patunayan tungkol sa kanila.
I was holding
Pero may kailangan kang malaman tungkol sa inyo.
swear my heart was beating through my chest.
Kasi hindi naman sapat na may label kayong mag-partner
Just stayed a while,
kung hindi mo maramdaman yung partnership.
be asking,
Hindi mo kailangan maging lahat para sa kanya,
would you
pero sana hindi mo rin kailangang makiusap.
love the feeling of your eyes on me? like something from a fantasy. Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you?
Ang masakit, minsan,
You
hindi dahil may kaibigan siyang sobrang lapit.
me
Ang masakit,
something from
kailangan mo pang ipaalala sa partner mo
for knowing what
na partner ka.
I've been.
At baka kayang buong panahon, nakatingin ka doon sa kaibigan. Bakit siya? Bakit siya ulit? Bakit siya yung una? Bakit siya yung may alam? Kasi feeling mo, kapag napatunayan mong sobra yung lugar niya, maiintindihan mo kung bakit kulang yung sayo. Pero what if? What if hindi mo na kailangan patunayan ng sobra yung lugar niya?
I couldn't stay, I couldn't wait.
What if ang kailangan mong tingnan,
Know that I would have
yung lugar mo?
hang around, can ask your name, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have.
Di mo kailangan maging number one sa bawat bagay.
Would you have come?
Pero mahirap tawaging partnership
Love the feeling
kung sa mga bagay na bumubuo sa buhay niya,
like
parang spectator ka lang.
to see. Did you feel it from across the room?
Sabi niya,
Little
kaibigan ko lang yun.
too. Did
Baka totoo.
there's something more?
Baka kaibigan niya lang talaga. At buong oras,
Did
akala mo yun yung plot twist.
chasing after me
Na baka hindi pala sila friends lang.
from a movie scene?
Pero hindi.
Never knowing what
Kasi habang pinipilit mong malaman, ano ba talaga sila,
no, no, no,
di mo napansin
no, no,
kung ano na pala kayo.
no, no,
Siya unang takbuhan, siya unang nakakaalam, siya unang kinoconsider, siya kasamang mag-process, ikaw yung pinapakiusapang umintindi,
heart was beating
ikaw yung ina-update,
just
ikaw yung naghihintay magkaroon ng lugar.
she stayed a while. Maybe then I
Partner
wouldn't
ka.
be asking
Sa tawag,
if I hadn't turned too late.
pero sa access,
Would you have come to
sa
say
consideration,
love the feeling
sa lugar mo, sa buhay niya,
like something from a film?
friend ka lang din pala.
Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you? Did you think of chasing after
That was Will
me?
Talks session, YT special,
Be seen
and everybody spam
for knowing what
W's in the chat.
been,
Thank you so much, guys.
but now I'll never know, no, 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 no.
Kaya para sa mga nanonood sa YT ngayon, nanonood sa YouTube, kung nagustuhan nyo to, hit that subscribe button, comment down kung gusto nyo pang meron kayong topics, and
Went through your head when I
yun, sabay-sabay tayo sa susunod ulit. Hi, ako si Will and this is Will Talks, talking about love, life, and everything in between.
from across the room.
Mata sa taas, paa sa lupa, ipanalo ang buhay lagit-lagi. And as always,
Did I miss something
we'll come home.
with you?
I'ma see you in the next one.
Did you think of chasing after me like something from a movie scene?